Hello students, now come to the last topic of this chapter, multiples and factors with HCF and LCM, is what? Test of divisibility. There are few numbers. I have already written this thing in the board priorly, so it will take less time to make you understand. Divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Let me tell you about the ones places, okay? In case of 2, okay? In case of 5, in case of 10, it's very easy. In case of 2, if you get ones digit in the ones place, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Example like this, 6, 12, or 34. Take one more example. Suppose 50, 0 is here. So if you see 6 here, 12, 2 is there in the ones place, 34, 4 is there in the ones place, 48 is there in the ones place, 106, 6 is there in the ones place, 50, 0 in the ones place. So if you get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, that number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now come to the 5. 2 I have explained. 2 over. Now come to the topic 5. In 5, I told you either you get 0 or 5 in ones place of the digit. In 15, 5 is there. 35, 5 is there. In 40, you see 0 is there in the ones place. 90, 0 is there. 75, 5 is there. So, all these numbers are divisible by 5. Either if you get 0 or 5, then those numbers are divisible by 5. I think this is clear. Now come to 10 one. It's very easy also. In 10 also, if you get 0 in the ones place. So, 0 in the ones place. 10, 20, 300, 5000, whatever. If you get 0 in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 10. So, if the number is divisible by 10, then that number definitely will divisible by 5 and divisible by 2, because here also they are telling ones digit should be 0, then it is divisible by 2. Ones digit should be 0, then it is divisible by 5. And in 10, you know that you need required a single 0 or double 0, whatever, but you require 0 in the ones place and divisible by 10. Okay. So for 2, 5, 10, it's clear now. Now come to the 3 and 9. In 3, if the sum of the whole digit is divisible by 3, or you can say the multiple of 3, then that number is divided by, you can divide it by 3. See, 27. Confused? Add these two numbers. 2 plus 7 gives you 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. You will get 3. Or 9 is the multiple of 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. Let's take 96. Or any big number, whatever. Simply what you will do, plus add it. Here 96. 9 plus 6 gives you 15. And 15 is the multiple of 3. Or if you try to divide by 3, you will get 5. So this 96 is also divisible by 3. I hope you have understood about 3. The same thing about 9 also. In case of 9, here also, if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. For case of 3, if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. In case of 9, if the sum of the all digits is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. See example here, 81. 8 plus 1 gives you 9. So 9 is divided by 9. Or moreover, you can write 9 is the multiple of 9. Okay. Now come to 729. 7 plus 2 plus 9 gives you 18. So 18 is divided by 9, or 18 is the multiple of 9. So in this way, 81 and 729 are what? Divisible by 9. Very simple. In case of 3 and 9, the style is same. Simply we'll add the digits. Now come to question divided by 4. In the 4, just like 2, the last digit should be what? 0 or all the multiples of 2, or 2, 4, 6, 8. In 4, the last two digits should be 0, means 2 0 is required, or the last two digit will be multiple of 4 or divisible by 4. You can write either you can write divisible by 4 or multiple of 4, same thing. So see, 24. This is the 2 digit. 22 digit is divisible by 4. Now 40. 40 is divisible by 4. We know that. 200. 20 is there, means it is divisible by 4. Sorry. 656. 56 is here. This 56 is divisible by 4. So entire number will be divisible by 4. So it's very simple. Now lastly, come to question number 6. It's little bit not complicated, it's easy. The number which are divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. Means before trying to divide it by 6, first you need to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not, whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Let's take an example, 7 and 2. So what you are getting here? 72 is divided by 2, 36. And 72 divided by 3, you are getting 24. Okay. For 3 again you will add 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 is the multiple of 3, 9 is divisible by 3. So 72 is divided by 3. Is that clear? So, or you can see, you can simply say that all the common multiples of 2 and 3 are what? Divisible by 6. Okay. So, these are the few examples. And regarding 7, 8, it is not given in your book right now. It will be in higher class, I will give you. So right now, these are the divisible properties of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. I hope you have understood this part. And I think you can do them as whenever this type of question may ask whether it is divisible by 2 or 3 or 5. You can use these theories to find that one. Thank you.